In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use our mockups in Figma with the help of Artboard Studio plugin. We will first need to go into Resources panel and then look up for Artboard Studio Mockups plugin. Once we launch our plugin, for the first time you are going to see some instructions and it will ask for an API key. You can go ahead and click here, create your free account, and once you're logged in, you can go into top left to your account settings, integrations, and generate an API key from here. And once you copy and paste this API key into Figma plugin, you will now see lots of mockups here. You don't need to worry about these iPhones being locked because we already have them in our file. So now all I need to do is pick any of the mockups as my liking, apply my designs inside, and then hit this render selected frame button. Now I can do as much as changes I want and then render again. I can go over to some other mockups, maybe a mockup scene, and then again apply my design and then render my frame. Just like this, you can use our mockups in Figma with the help of Artboard Studio plugin. Thanks for watching.